Today we're going to go into the deep dive feature of Data Dive, which is a very powerful feature. Simple, but powerful. What we're looking at here is every listing that is on Amazon within this niche and what images they have, right? So we can see their hero image here, we can see their second, third, and fourth image here. We can actually see that there's a problem with this one here, which has been grayed out. So if we go to this, we can actually see that this one is no longer available on Amazon. So what we can do is we can go ahead and very quickly update this niche if we want to update it. What that's going to do is update all of the details, what their most recent monthly sales are, what their new images are. Assuming they have been updated, they will be placed here. But one thing that you want to leverage this for is if this here is your product, right? This here, what you want to do is compare it with the bestsellers. Okay, so what is the bestseller doing differently to maybe our product, which isn't making as many sales? We could see that these actually have nice whipped toppings to them. And that could be something that's making them more enticing and increasing the click-through rate, okay? What about their second and third and fourth images, right? What kind of features or benefits are they highlighting? Here we see grass-fed, grass-finished. For this one, they're just saying that they've rebranded. Probably not a great use of real estate there. But this one, 100% handcrafted, right? This one, 2 ingredients, right? That's a benefit. Grass-fed, grass-finished tallow, organic sweet almond oil. Brilliant, right? A lot of people in the skincare industry are moving towards clean beauty. And this here is probably a great image. I'll probably put this in position number 2. But let's say you want to leverage AI because everyone's starting to use AI. You can also go ahead and with one click, click download images here. And what that's going to do is that's going to create a zip file of every single image from all of the ASINs that you dive within this niche. Then all you need to do is upload those images to your favorite LLM, ChatGPT, Claude, and ask it to do a split test for you. Okay, ask it to say, hey, what is the ICP, right? Intended customer profile for this here niche. It'll probably say age range, male, female, maybe a lot of people that have acne issues. It will do the research for you. And then you can ask it to score each of these images based on what it thinks is best and why. So which is the best hero image? Read what it says, okay? And make sure that if your image doesn't have that there you found an improvement, and now you can go ahead and improve your hero image. The goal here is to make sure that your hero image is as good as the bestsellers, if not better. And then your second, third, and fourth images are actually touching on pain points that your consumer has. So when they come to Amazon and they click on your listing, they're saying yes to the things you're revealing in your images more than they're saying yes to the images that your competitors are revealing. So this is deep dive. It makes it super easy. You can go into more detail on each individual listing here, the variations that they're selling, and more. But the primary use for this, where you're going to get the most value, is the images here, downloading them, running split tests on them, and just making sure that your images are as good as the best sellers here within this niche on Amazon. That's it for this demo. Stay tuned for another demo coming soon. For a limited time, you can test this out for free. Go ahead to the URL somewhere around this screen and join 10,000 active Data Dive users today.